Hello, my name is Quatechia Renee and you are watching Quatechia Creates. Hello besties, in this video we will be going over how to create a simple vinyl design. I will show you how to download some free fonts and then how to view all those free fonts on your computer. Okay, so we're going to go to our web browser and we're going to type in www.thefont.com. And we're going to come to this website. This is what thefont.com looks like. And if you have never heard of thefont.com, it is the greatest place to find free fonts. As you can see, you have all of these options up here. You have fancy, foreign look, techno, gothic, basic, script, dingbats, whatever that is, holiday, all that type of stuff. And then what's usually on the front or the home screen is going to be a list of the most recently added fonts. So once you see a font that you like, what you can do is you can just select that font and download it to your computer. Let's see what kind of calligraphy fonts they have. I tend to like the same or very similar fonts. I don't know why that is. I think I kind of like that one. So let's click on this gray button that says download. So that's how I download it on my computer. Once you download them though, you'd have to go to the file and you're gonna click on it and then you'd install the font. Let's go back to our thefont.com and see what else we like. So yeah, you can just, come to this on your own time and play around with it and decide what you like, what you're looking for, that type of thing, and you can just play around with it and download all the fonts that you want, and it's free. Most of these fonts are for personal use only, so just be careful with that. Down here it says it's a demo font. That's for personal use only, but any donations are appreciated. And then over here you can see where you can donate if you'd like to donate some coins to the creator of the font. But also there's typically a link if you want to purchase. There you go, there's a link if you want to purchase a full version and a standard license for whichever font you choose to go with. But anywho, I have a ton of fonts already downloaded. I also wanted to show you this other thing, and what I like to use is called WordMark.It. WordMark.It is amazing because what happens is you can type in a name, hit enter, and then it's going to show you all of your fonts or the fonts that are downloaded onto your computer, and you're able to select which ones you like. Let's see. Now, as a side note, when you do first start using WordMark.It, you will have to download it as like a plugin on a Chrome browser. That's the way that it is able to recognize all of your system fonts and all of your downloaded fonts. So when you get that notification, don't be alarmed. That's what you're supposed to do. Just go ahead and download, install, whatever you have to do to be able to choose all of these amazing fonts. For the purpose of this video, we're just going to click on a few, and I'm going to show you what happens after you select a few of the fonts. If you go to the top of the screen, you can actually change your selected fonts to your fonts, and then this will show you all of the fonts that you have physically downloaded to the computer. So we're simply just going to go through here and we are going to select all of the ones that we like. Once we've clicked on everything that we like, we're going to come up here and click filter selected fonts, and it's going to show us all that we chose, and then we can further choose from there. And now you can take your selection over to your cutting machine software situation. I'm going to be using Cricut Design Space. So what I did once I got over here was I just played with the two. I was able to narrow it down to about 2 fonts that I liked. So I just came over here and paired them together to see exactly what I liked and how I wanted my image to look. Once you have made your selection as far as what font you're going to use, of course you're going to cut that on your cutting machine. I cut my decals out on my Cricut Maker, and now we are getting started with our glittered wine glass. This is a gift from my mom that I started making a few months ago. So it's just been like sitting in my craft room for a while. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply a vinyl decal to it. If you want a full tutorial on how I created this glittered wine glass, then just comment down below, let me know that you're interested, and I'll get started on that tutorial for you. Once we've prepped our surface by cleaning it with some 60% alcohol and a coffee filter or paper towel, whatever you have, we are going to go ahead and apply the decal. I'm using Oracle 651, which is permanent vinyl, so there's no need to actually seal this in. If you want to, you can do that. I'm not doing that. So I'm just using some transfer tape also. Not sure where I got it from, but I'm not a fan, so yeah. And when I am working with the vinyl decals on the curved surface, I like to focus more on the actual decal, the adhesive decal, versus the transfer tape when it comes to getting it down smoothly, because I don't care if my transfer tape is straight or not, or if there's no air bubbles in there. I'm trying to get the vinyl on straight. And once you have the vinyl decal on straight, then you can fill up your transfer tape. And now we're going to layer the second decal on top of the first one. We're just going to make sure that we're putting it on there real straight, and once we get it on, we're going to peel up our transfer tape. Really easy. And you guys, that is it. If you have any questions, please comment down below. If you like this video or found anything useful, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Be sure to check the description box. I have links to all of the social media platforms that I am a part of. Also, you may find some discount codes. Until next time, bye-bye.